Today, I'm diving into a wild challenge where I'll compare a $0 business idea to a $10 million one. Let's see which can succeed. When we think about businesses, we often only consider the end result, the success, the growth, the profits. But what if we took a step back and looked at the journey? What if we compared a business with zero funding to one with a staggering $10 million? What would we learn from these two extremes? Understanding the differences between these two types of businesses can give us valuable insights into what makes a company successful. When you're starting from scratch, the biggest challenge is often getting traction. You're working with limited resources, and every decision you make is crucial to the survival of your business. You're trying to prove your concept, find your target audience, and create a product or service that resonates with them. It's a roller coaster ride of uncertainty and risk. On the other hand, established businesses with substantial funding face different challenges. They're trying to scale their operations, manage their teams, and maintain their market share. They're dealing with the complexities of growth, like balancing efficiency with innovation, and navigating the constantly changing market landscape. Established businesses have to constantly adapt to stay ahead of the competition. They need to invest in research and development, stay on top of industry trends, and make strategic decisions about expansion and partnerships. They're not just fighting to survive, they're fighting to thrive. Both types of businesses face hurdles, but the nature of those hurdles changes as the business grows. As businesses scale, they need to develop systems and processes that can handle increased demand and production. They need to build strong teams, establish efficient supply chains, and create marketing strategies that resonate with a wider audience. They need to be agile and responsive to changing market conditions, all while maintaining their core values and mission. When we look at $10 million businesses, there are certain key factors that contribute to their success. First and foremost, they have a clear and well-defined market strategy. They understand their target audience, their pain points, and how to reach them. They've refined their product or service to meet the needs of that audience, and they've developed a pricing strategy that reflects its value. They're focused on customer acquisition and retention, and they've built systems to measure and optimize their results. Another critical factor is scalability. $10 million businesses have systems and processes in place that allow them to grow rapidly without sacrificing quality or efficiency. They've invested in technology, infrastructure, and talent to support their expansion. They're not limited by their resources, they're empowered by them. They're able to adapt quickly to changing market conditions, and they're not held back by outdated systems or inefficiencies. One of the most surprising insights I've gained from studying $10 million businesses is the importance of innovation. These businesses are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're not satisfied with the status quo. They're driven to create new products, services, and experiences that disrupt the market and drive growth. They're willing to take calculated risks and invest in research and development to stay ahead of the curve. One case study that illustrates this is a company called Warby Parker. They disrupted the traditional eyewear industry by offering affordable, stylish glasses online. But what really sets them apart is their commitment to innovation. They've developed an augmented reality app that allows customers to try on glasses virtually, and they've created a lens manufacturing facility that produces high-quality lenses in-house. This level of innovation has allowed them to scale rapidly and stay ahead of the competition. Let's recap the main points we've discussed today. We've seen that $0 businesses and $10 million businesses face different challenges and have different priorities. We've explored the key factors that contribute to the success of $10 million businesses, such as market strategy, customer acquisition, and scalability. And we've looked at a case study that illustrates the power of innovation and disruption. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the differences between $0 and $10 million businesses. If you want to learn more about business strategies and growth, be sure to check out my next video.